What you can see here is the biggest aircraft being towed into one of our biggest hangars. I've seen this a million times, but it's still a thrill.
The aircraft is one of Lufthansa's fleet of 12 A380s. Servicing this $430 million super jumbo is repairs manager Andreas Wirbelauer. Today, Andreas and his team of 5 mechanics have their work cut out. They need to give one of the world's largest passenger jets a life-saving transplant.
This engine reached its lifetime limit, so we have to remove it for overhaul.
This is a Trent 900, and it's literally the Rolls-Royce of jet engines. Made from 20,000 components, this engine has flown 12 million miles, and now needs to be removed for an overhaul. But grounding an A380 can cost an airline close to $1 million a day in lost revenue. So Andreas and his team have less than 48 hours to get the work done and the plane flying again. The first step in this engine transplant is to remove the old engine from the wing.
Well, there's different methods how you can remove an engine. The one we are using here right now is the bootstrap method, the cradle and the 4 chains.
The bootstrap method uses a system of chains and pulleys to lower the 7-ton engine onto a cradle. It's a huge load, and it would be even harder to handle if it wasn't for the Trent 900's weight-saving technology. The fan blades are made of hollow titanium to cut down every last gram of weight. They may be feather light, but they still pack an almighty punch, spinning up to the 2,900 revolutions per minute needed for takeoff. "10 hours in, and the team are ready to remove the old engine. They gently lower it by hand onto a cradle.
Okay, stop. Once it sits on the cradle, loosen the chains. That's it. The engine is removed. First part is done.
To limit the airliner's time on the ground, the team replaces the engine with one prepared earlier.
The engine behind me is the new engine. This is a totally overhauled engine. And now the task for us is to get that engine ready to be installed underneath the wing.
That might sound simple, but it takes surgical precision to lift the new engine into place. "22 hours in. After 110 man-hours, the team have bolted the new engine to the wing, connected the fuel pipes, and now prepare to put the hard work to the ultimate test. Andreas and Cliff will run the new engine up to near maximum thrust to make sure it's ready to be put back into service in the morning.